Hey guys, so we just arrived to Tennessee last night to, one, decorate the cabin for Christmas, like fully decorate, so we have all of our Christmas boxes, and then we're gonna be going to go see a new property. As you guys know, with the last update after COVID was that I lost the house. So we are back on the roll and we're gonna go see a new house tomorrow. Fingers crossed that it's really good because I think we can build on it. There's 2 septic tanks on the property, so that means we can build 2 houses up there. There's already one up there. So yeah, we're gonna start decorating. Welcome to the day in my life. So I went to Walmart and got a 7-foot tree for $100. If you buy any trees from Gatlinburg, you can spend like, this tree was probably $300, but Walmart trees aren't that great of quality, but I feel like for a rental, it's fine. We also got this tree here. This was like $30. We got a whole box of Christmas stuff. So we have a lot of woodsy stuff that we got from Walmart for like $1. So cute. We have, it's gonna be a plaid theme, so we have the plaid up there. So Walmart is where it's at. We're at Walmart. We're gonna be getting some things that we need for the cabin, and it's raining today, so at nighttime we're gonna go back and do like a roller coaster. And then we're probably gonna do some log cabin furniture shopping as well, because we saw a new cabin, a new log cabin place. So the new place that we're trying to get is not furnished, so it's gonna cost a lot of money to do that. $131 for that one bag of stuff. Back at the furniture store. Hopefully if we get this house, we get to furnish it. We have this couch in red in our cabin right now. This is the brown one and I really like it. But y'all, it is $1,700. It's a pull-out couch though, so it's worth it. One room. Yeah, I like that too. I'll probably get one of those. This is only $1,000. That's really good. Yeah, this bed with the bench on it is $1,200. Or maybe it's $2,100. There's king coral bed. I'm confused. We're at Hobby Lobby for some last minute Christmas shopping, and then I gotta go home and teach. This is the only thing we're leaving with. Merry Christmas. Alright guys, so we just got to the house. I did an Instagram live getting ready and talking about the house this morning, so if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me up there. I think I'm gonna be continue doing the lives. It was pretty early, it was like at 8 a.m. But we just arrived to the new house and we're gonna look at it and hopefully we can close on this house because it's actually pretty cool on the outside. And the drive is beautiful, nice mountain views. Alright guys, so we're here. This house is so cute. So cute. And over here you have, you can't really see it because of the light, but you have the mountains and there's some sheep right in front of us. Alright, so I'm zoomed in for you guys. This is across the house, so the house is back there. And from the front you can see the sheep and the farm in front of us. And there's one little black goat walking around. This is the living room. I'm not a fan of the kitchen, but that can be fixed.
We could get all this. This is easy. We could remodel this. I'm not worried about it.
I used to have floors like this in my first house. When I grew up. Yeah. Oh, there's no lights. There's no lights, you guys. And I used to have this refrigerator too when I was younger. Fitterator. At least the oven's kind of new. Microwave. It's not bad, right? No.
That's what I mean, it's steep, so I don't know. That's what I was thinking, because
we have light. So this is the bathroom. They think it's weird that there is a platform, but I think there's a platform there for a reason. This looks like an add-on because this is a huge bathroom, but no shower. Maybe this was for the washing machine. That's why they have the thingy right there.
Yeah, the inspector had to turn all that off because I turned everything off.
Another closet. So this is probably where the washing machine goes. And we're going up the weird stairs. I wish they weren't carpeted, but it's, oh yeah. You could hit your head.
If you're taller than...
Yeah, if you're taller than 5 feet.
4'11".
Alright, nice light. Oh yeah, everybody can fit in here. This is not gonna be expensive.
What would you do for these rooms?
For this room, I would put bunk beds. Right? Like a good bunk bed, maybe a twin bed here we could fit it. Because it's a pretty small room. I love the floors. I love the floors. Then this room. Oh yeah. Could be a master.
Yeah.
Big king bed here.
Make it right on time.
All wood stuff.
Oh no.
Can you get into that?
Pull it.
Oh, they closed it.
Right.
Okay, we gotta figure out what's in there.
Yeah.
Why would they do that?
There's like a little
There's
thing.
like stairs going up to an attic that you can't open, I think.
Maybe that's where that person's at.
Oh. Squatter.
They're trying to get into there. Okay, got a
It's kind of dark in here.
size bathroom.
Oh, okay. I was gonna
It shows the two things sink. That's an easy change. That's just stuff you can clean.
It's pretty nice.
Just needs to be cleaned really well.
It kind of looks pink on camera, but
It's like a vanilla color. We'll just paint it white. No, we're gonna put the boards up. So we're gonna take some wood boards to make it look more like a cabin. Put some wood boards up and stuff. Yeah, the water's not working. And then this is the last room. So this is the master. This is the master. So we would put the king size bed in here. Do you think we should do 2 bunk beds or?
Your face
bunk
is
bed,
just like
king
black.
bed, king bed. I think that's fine. Wow,
those are kind of cute.
this is cute. So we're gonna do wood like this on the wall.
Oh, mm-hmm.
Should have gave us the bottom one.
I got it. Actually, I have it in the truck.
This looks like someone flipped it. Like, why would you see like that?
This is weird. Would you take this wall out?
Nah. I mean, if we would update the shower.
It's not like you can see anything, but
Yeah. If we would update the shower, then we would change this. But this is just going to be a rental. It doesn't need to be fancy. Just
Yeah.
having it is going to like bring money in. But it's a 3-bedroom house, 2,000 square feet. This is massive.
Yeah.
All right, so we're done looking inside of this house. Mike says there's some safety issues, but it's easy to fix and it's basically good to go. He likes it now and he's on board with it. Now we're gonna go see the top of the hill where they said we can build a second house because it has 2 septic tanks and 2 wells on the property, and it's on top of the hill where they said there's even better views. So I'm thinking about building a A-frame cabin up there and then putting my tiny house down here, or we'll see, or selling the tiny house. But yeah, the money makes sense. Now that we're home, Mike has to change the broken door. We're gonna try to fix the fireplace, and then we gotta put these lights outside because the other ones are broken. Seems really hard. This is why he does the stuff and I don't. Because I don't know how. That's why it's nice to have a man, because although I think it'd be cool to be hands-on, I don't have the brain power to know how to do that, so I'm very thankful that he's here and is always here to do this type of work. But the door is up, it is fixed. Now he's working on the lights. Whoa. Yeah, I got the wrong lights. Oh gosh, be careful. Phillips head screwdriver. Yellow handle.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.